Alright guys, hello, it's Rover Dude here, and just to give you an update as to what is going on with the Discovery. So they replaced the window, as I had mentioned, but if you look up here, there is a tremendous gap on that seal, that front seal for the window. And again, this is Safelite. Alright, so anyway, they replaced the windshield, and as I mentioned before, it's an ongoing saga with them. Now, if you look at this side too, hope the sun's not blocking it, pretty rough job they did here. So what's going on is when I'm driving, I get it sounds like the wind is going to come through the front windshield. Supposedly they said that they were going to be coming by on Friday to fix it. Today is Wednesday, and let's see what kind of story they come up with now. So again, the windshield was replaced, but as you can tell, that just doesn't look right, and it's got a huge gap that goes all the way across to the other side. So we'll see what happens there. Today when I get home, I'm gonna post some video on the Freelander, and I have come along a good amount. I did have to replace a bolt on it that stripped, so I'm going to again shoot some video on that so you guys can see what's going on there. All right, but other than that, pretty much got everything all set, and I'll be posting this video today, and probably the one that I'm going to take with the Freelander tonight. So again, guys, I really appreciate you watching. Leave any comments below. Tell me what you think about Safelite. Sorry, I can't even remember how to say their name. Tell me what you guys think about Safelite, and we'll go from there. Maybe they'll see this video and get their gaming gear here, because this is going to be the 5th time they're going to come out to see me. Okay, so Rover Dude out. Catch you later.